Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And in today's video, we're going to go over the 3-pillar model that helped me to earn 6 figures within the offline space. And for those that don't know, I've been doing postcard programs since 2016, and it has helped me to bring in a full-time income. I've been teaching others how to do the same and giving people the steps that they need in order to start producing a full-time income as quickly as possible. Now, one of the things I want to say is that this is not a get rich quick overnight. If you join any business opportunity, you have to be able to put in 15 hours, 10 to 15 hours per week consistently to start to see your business take off. And one of the things that I realized is that a lot of people are missing just a few things that can help them double their results, or not only that, start to get results consistently. Because the thing is if you're not earning consistently within the offline or online space, you're not going to have pretty much a successful business. What we want is to be able to bring in money weekly. And not only that, start to have it where it's consistently every day, something that's trickling in from your business and from your efforts. If that's not happening, again, there may be certain skill sets that is required of you, or there's just certain things that you don't have in place in order for your business to see success. So we're going to go over that today. And with the 3-pillar model, what I love about it is that it's easy to duplicate. It's easy to understand when you're going through the training. And not only that, it's going to be easy to apply what you learn. So this is a fluff private training. It's straight to the point. It's not something where I'm trying to upsell you guys to spend thousands of dollars. It's just mainly the basics of what I was able to learn in order to start seeing revenue within my business. And not only that, I also talk about some of the things that I missed in my business that was extremely powerful in helping me to have a duplicatable product. Okay. So here it just says there's a lot of things you can do to build your business, but there are only a few things that really matter. And that's what a lot of people understand. Sometimes we are taking in so much information that we forget the things that are important. And sometimes we're focusing on the things that are not important within our business because there's just so much that goes into running a business. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of all of the things that aren't important and really laser in on the things that are important and do more of that. What is that actually, and how does that look? So one of the things that I tell people all the time is whether you're doing business online or not, it doesn't mean that you're going to make a full-time income, because again, being productive doesn't always lead to results. It depends on the productivity that you're doing and if it's allowing you to bring in traffic. So sometimes a lot of people, they sit inside of Facebook groups, they're blasting their link out to people without people even asking for the link, or they're just putting their links in tons of groups in places where there's not enough traffic or it's not the right traffic. We want to get away from that. We want to focus only on people who are interested in what it is that we're doing. And not only that, people who are willing to pay for the information that you have, for the business that you have, for the product that you have. So what we want to do is we want to give people the advantage so that you can actually start getting results in your business. And my goal is to help you get these results by doing less of the things that aren't important and really laser focus on the things that are important. So I was able to do 6 figures in my business by my 2nd year. And the only way I was able to do that is by really having mentorship that told me what to focus on. And not only that, to let go of the things that were not an income producing activity. Now, when we talk about income producing activities, that's basically things that you're doing that's going to help you to continuously bring in revenue. Everything that you do is not going to be an income producing activity. And then there's going to be certain things that you are going to do that's going to be an income producing activity. So as an example, if you are building a funnel and you are working on putting a funnel together to bring in traffic, that's an income producing activity. Okay. If you are, let's just say, you're purchasing traffic or you're running free traffic, that's an income producing activity, right? Then we have things that we are doing that will help to bring in money, but it's really not income producing. So like on social media, when I am commenting on other people's posts, I'm engaging with other people. It's not an income producing activity, but it's going to help me to bring in results over time. So I want to just really talk about that for a second, because again, if you're doing things over and over and over again, but you don't see the results that you're wanting within your business, you are either missing something or you're not really focusing on things that's going to bring you a full-time income. It's not an income producing activity. So my goal is to help you to get results by doing less of what takes up your time, less of what doesn't matter, and only focus on income generating tasks. While I can't guarantee you any results, I can show you exactly what matters the most. And not only that, move you into becoming an action taker within your business so that you can start producing a full-time income. And again, what I love about this training is that you're not going to have to worry about going through a whole bunch of fluff. Like a lot of people, they have trainings and stuff and they don't get to the point. It's like they're trying to either sell you something or they're talking about mindset and things like that. And of course, all of that is important. But if you really want the meat and potatoes of what's needed for your business, this is going to get you that. So what we're going to go over as soon as you purchase this training, and again, it's extremely inexpensive. And again, it was life-changing for me. You're going to learn how to dramatically increase your sales, right? By adding the sales multiplier, the time wasters that really cripple my business. And we're going to talk about how to avoid those things and those people, because there are people that will waste your time that's really not interested in buying from you, but they will waste your time. What to do if you don't have a website for your business, how to get more sales without having to have more visitors to your opportunity, the keys that really matter when it comes to sales, how to share your story and have more of an impact on people, because it's more than just sharing results and proof. It's also about sending people through your journey and actually what that looks like to get to where you're going to be, right? So that's the thing, is we want to focus on what's your story and how to get people to resonate with what you have. The simple math that tells you when you had enough people in your pipeline, the exact apps and tools that I use, and how to create eye-catching posts if you want to do this with just mainly free traffic. And there's even more strategies as well. And again, if you get this now, it's only $27. This will be going up within 3 days. But this is something that's going to, again, allow you to get results and help you to really start building your business and knowing exactly what to do. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you want more information, the link will be in the description below. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day.